Okay, you are given this to solve. This is an equation involving sort. So you are given a question like this to solve or to find the value of x. So what you need to do in this case, I will advise that you take one of the irrational to one side. Imagine these two, they are all what? This one is irrational, it's a sort. This one also irrational, it's a sort. But here is what? Rational, one, the rational. So it's advisable we take one of these to the other side of the equation. So let's do it. We have sort 3x plus 1. Let's take this to the other side, will be equal to 1 minus, 1 plus sort x plus 4. Remember, this is negative sign crossing the sign of equality. It turns to plus. So that's why we have this. So after having this, let's say square both sides. Square both sides. So when squaring both sides, this is the same thing as 3x plus 1 raised to the power of 1 over 2. For us to square both sides, then this square will come here. Now, the same thing, 1 plus, and this is, let's do the same thing. Now, all raised to the power of what? 2. All raised to the power of 2. So at this point here, this cancels this. Remember from indices, so we now have 3x plus 1. Please, if you can't get this part, please go back to our video on indices. You understand this, how we get to have this. So we now have 3x plus 1. Here is squared, so that means we can do this like 2 times. And it will be 1 plus so x plus 4, 1 plus so x plus 4. That's 2 times. That's what it says. This square. So from here we have 3x plus 1. Now 1 we use to multiply everything, and also use this to multiply everything. So let's just put it that way so that others will understand. X. Sorry, this is 1. This is the 1 from here. Then we use to multiply all these things here. All these things here. So we have 1 plus x plus 4. That's the first one. Then we also take the second one here and also multiply everything here. So we have this is plus x plus 4. Then multiply 1 plus 4. I hope you are following. I use this one in this other bracket to multiply everything in this other bracket. Then the same thing, I use this other one to multiply everything in this other bracket. So from here, we continue 3x plus 1. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times this is still the same thing, x plus 4. Then we continue. Let's also open this other part. Square root of this, that is sort x plus 4 times 1 is still the same thing as sort x plus 4. So x plus 4 times x plus 4. So x plus 4 is rationalized. That means it will give us what? It will give us x plus 4. Remember, so 2 times 2 is 2. So x plus 4 times x plus 4 is what? X plus 4. Okay, we continue. We have collect all the rational to one side. We have 3x plus 1 equal to 1 plus x plus 4. That's 1 plus x plus 4. Now we have here x plus 4 plus x plus 4. That will be 2 x plus 4. So after getting this, let's collect all the rational to one side. So you pick all this to the other side. So we have 3x minus x plus 1. This is the 1. Then minus 1 minus 4 equal to 2 x plus 4. Remember, this other 2 is attached to this sort, so you cannot take it. It's only this one that are on their own that you can carry. So from there we have 3x minus x is 2x. 1 minus 1 is what? Gone, that is 0. Then we have minus 4 equals to 2 sort x equals 4. So in this case, we still have something to do. Something to do. So what we can do here is something is here before it. So let's just work on this first, since we have something common. So this is known as 2 is common here, minus 2. That is 2 times x will give us 2x. 2 times minus 2 will give us minus 4. It's common. So here we have this. So from here we can do something. Divide both sides by 2. Because 2 is here, 2 is here. It's not so. On this side of the equation, 2 is here. Instead of 2 is here, so you can divide them by 2. 2 cancel 2, divide by 2. So we now have x minus 2 equals to x plus sort x plus this. So from here we can take the square. Take the square of both sides. The square of both sides. So from here we'll have x minus 2 plus about this. Then here will be x plus 4. This is the same thing as this. Then times the square. So at this point, this cancel here. Remember, this is the roots. This is the same thing. But the square that we are taking here and here. This is the one. So the 2 here cancels this. So from here we now have, this is the same thing as saying x minus 2 equal to x plus 4. There's nothing at this other point. Hope we are following. So finally, let's still manage the board. Finally, we have this we use to multiply all this, and here we use to multiply all this. So x, the first x multiply this, and the minus 2 multiply this equals to x plus 4. So from here, x times x is x. X times x is x squared, and x minus 2 is 2x. X minus 2 times minus this, we have minus 2x. And minus 2 times minus 2, we have plus 4 equals to x plus what? 4. So here, what do we do next? We have x squared minus 2x, that would be minus 4x plus 4 equals to x plus 4. We now change to quadratic equation. So let's collect like terms. We have x squared minus 4x. Take the x down here will be minus x plus 4. Take the 4 down here will be minus 4 equals to 0. So from here we have x squared minus 4x minus x. That will be minus 5x. And here this is what 4 minus 4 is 0. So therefore is equals to 0. So from here, the common thing here is x. And we have x minus 5 equals to 0. I hope you understand this. So since x is common, so I bring out the x. Then from here, if I bring out x here, we have x left. If I bring x out here, will be 5 left. That's x times x will give us x squared, and x times minus 5 will give us minus 5x. So at this point, x is equals to 0. X is equals to 0, or x minus 5 is equals to what? 0, where x is equals to 5. That's minus 5 crossing the other side equals to 5. So therefore, at this point, the value of x are x equals to 0 and what? 5. So we can confirm, we can check if it is true. Whether it can give us that. So it's true out of this. If I put 0 here, 3 times 0, it will be 0. 0 plus 1 is what? 1. The square root of 1 is what? 1. Is it not so? The square root of 1 is 1. Now, I now go to this other part. I put 0 here. That means it's going to be 0 plus 4 is what? 4. The square root of 4 is what? Square root of 4 is 2. That's 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2 is equal to what? Minus 1. So therefore 0 is not the exact answer for this or solution to this equation. So therefore I know that 0 is not our solution. Now let's go for 5. Let's check for 5. If this is 3 times 3x, 5 times, if x is 5, 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. And the square root of 16 is what? What is the square root of 16? Square root of 16 is 4. Let me write it here. Square root of 16 is 4. Then bring down a minus. Now if this is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9. Square root of 9. So therefore square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 9 is 3. 4 minus 3 is equal to what? 1. So therefore the exact answer for x is 5 and not 0. So that's what in this very kind of question you have to always check your word, check your answers to know the exact answer for or exact solution for x. So the solution for x is what? X is equals to 5 finally. So that is that. Thank you very much for following. Try to subscribe if you've not subscribed, and also share. So to learn more from Maths Time, we will see you in our next class.